long time, I have decided to put my camera on and make some video. That's my husband. Hello.
Hi everybody. How are you?
And there is the kids.
Hi guys.
Safe and sound at home.
Yeah.
So be careful from double virus.
Yeah, we were very careful. Actually, we have to go out for business a little bit. There are very tiny meeting. We're gonna finish that and we're gonna go some of the places that I really wants to go on a Christmas day, but we were so lazy all day. We cooked and we play, very lazy. So first, the place I chose from TikTok videos, and I decided I forced my husband and my kids to go with me there because I really want to see and take pictures. Now is 8 o'clock and it's 3 degrees outside. First stop, we're gonna go to central London after 10 o'clock because we really don't want to spend £15 for nothing to just to go to see the light. And we were hoping to go to see the Tree of Hope. I don't know I will able to go see or not, but we will go to King's Cross and try to see the Tree of Hope. Okay, that's the plan. So let's set up the navigation and let's go. Planning to go to Dark Sugar and we are late. We're supposed to go there at 8 o'clock and we missed it. However, there one place is open which is all our family favorite, that's Creams, and we have like a grill shop around here, so we'll go to Creams instead of Dark Sugar this time. Best restaurant on time out. See, I feed you. Best restaurant. Okay? Come on, Fadin. The cream. Fadin,
Yeah.
are you having fun?
Yeah.
Hey, look. Oh wow. It's around what time? 12 o'clock at
11,
night. 11 at night. We came late. First of all, there is congestion charge. And second is quiet because I don't know how it is daytime. And look how festive, but it's full of people. There are a lot of people here. I didn't expect anyone here at this time, but it's a lot of people, no, Farin?
A lot.
A lot. And it's so beautiful, you know. Oh, this is one thing about London. If you want to have fun, you can have fun. And we are nothing goes according to plan. We plan a lot of things, but it doesn't go according to plan. Plus it's so cold. It's 3 degrees outside.
It's not that cold.
It's cold. This girl, she'd never feel cold. I always feel cold. I'm wearing so thick thing. I'm feeling cold. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. And this is Newborn Street, and we had one of the gorgeous decoration here from Chanel. And look at this guy. They scare me. They scare us. This guy at the beginning, because there's no one talking, there's just people sitting there.
Please like this video.
Please share the video and yeah.
And also please subscribe.
And please comment below where you want us to go next. Thank you. Bye. Say bye.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye bye.